Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do Resolute Counterflow in Black Wukong. To begin, it is important to establish exactly how a Resolute strike is executed. First, Black Wukong players must build at least one focus point, a resource that is represented by the circle and meter in the bottom right corner of the screen. For full clarity, focus points are gained by striking enemies and performing perfect dodges, and one of the aforementioned circles which will fill when a point has been earned. Once a player has earned a focus point, they are ready to execute a resolute strike. To perform the maneuver, players should initiate a light attack combo by striking an enemy with light attacks. Fans of action games can then press heavy attack at any point during the combo to consume their focus point and cause the design one to perform a resolute strike, which manifests as an overhead attack. With that established, the key to resolute counterflow is unleashing resolute strike at exactly the right time. More specifically, the resolute strike need to occur at the same time as an incoming attack. This typically means transitioning from the light attack combo to the heavy attack just as the Black Wukong enemies begins to perform an attack of their own. And there will be an explosion around the stand one star if the player's timing were precise enough to receive the benefit of resolute counterflow. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.